Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to fix Snapchat My AI something went wrong. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to check your internet connection. Okay? So after you check your internet connection, you need to make sure that you have a connection, right? But you can also do is to just go ahead and unplug your router, and after 30 seconds or a minute, you can now just go ahead and plug it in back. Okay, and now that should help you with your problem. But if it doesn't, what you can do is to just go ahead and log out your Snapchat account. So to do that, open your Snapchat account, click on your Bitmoji at the upper left corner of your screen, click on the settings button at the upper right corner of your screen. You want to scroll down until you see the log out button. Okay, so just go ahead and log out your account and log in again, and that should also help you with your problem. Okay, so now if this doesn't still work for you, what you need to do is to just go ahead and clear Snapchat cache. So if you are using Android, just go ahead and go to your settings, go to apps, click on Snapchat, click on storage, and clear cache. Okay, and if you are using iOS, just go ahead and click on settings, general, iPhone storage. You want to find Snapchat, click on offload app, and after that, just go ahead and reinstall the app again. Okay, and that should also help you with your problem. And the next thing that you can do is to just go ahead and update your Snapchat application. So to do that, you want to open your App Store or your Play Store and search for Snapchat. Okay, so let's just go ahead and search for Snapchat. So here, instead of the open button, you should see a update button. So if you see update button, just go ahead and click on that, and that should update your Snapchat application. Okay, and if that doesn't still work for you, what you need to do now is to just go ahead and uninstall the app and reinstall it again. Okay, and now if that doesn't still work for you, just go ahead and wait for a while because maybe the application is under maintenance. Okay, so the last option that you have is to just go ahead and contact Snapchat support. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.